Okay, my honors, you're going to have to forgive me. I have messed up 5 videos so far, and I'm about ready to throw my iPad. Ha, 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 ha. So, anyways, first, if you remember back to first quarter, we did functions. That's where you named a mathematical operation. So in this case, f of x is x cubed minus 6x plus 1. And if I said what's f of 2, you would just put 2 into the x. So 2 cubed is 8. 6 times 2 would be minus 12 plus 1. So 8 minus 12 is minus 4 plus 1 is negative 3. So you'd say f of 2 is negative 3. Well, they discovered another way of doing it. It's called synthetic substitution if you want to know the name. And here's what you do. You do synthetic division. Now, you don't switch the number this time. You put in the coefficients 1, 0, because x squared is missing, minus 6, 1. So bring down, multiply, add. Bam. Bam. So add, that's 4. That's negative 2. That's negative 4. 1, that's negative 3. Notice what the remainder is. The remainder will always be what you would put in. When you put this in for x to the function, that's what you'd get when you get it all out. So let's try another one. Let's say g of x, and I'm using another letter, it doesn't really matter, is, let's see, x cubed plus 3x squared plus 4. And I said, what's g of 1? Well, 1 plus 1 times 3 is 3, plus 4, that's 8. So g of 1 is 8. But again, let's say I don't like plugging it in. It just takes too much time for me. So I go 1, that'd be 1, 3, 0, because x term's missing, 4. Bring down, multiply, add. Now I'm doing nice numbers here because I don't want to spend all day. That's 4, that's 1, that's 4, 8. Hey, looky there. Holy cheese in a bucket. So I want you to try one for me, please. Let's say h of x is x to the 4th minus 3x cubed plus 4x minus 10. And I want to know what's h of, let's go 2. I was going to do 5, but x to the 5th, that's 625, or x to the 4th, I mean. But let's do it longhand, just so you know. 2 to the 4th minus 3 times 2 cubed plus 4 times 2 minus 10. So this would be 16, 8 and 3, that's minus 24, plus 8 minus 10, 16 minus 24 is negative 8, plus 8 is 0, minus 10 is minus 10. So go ahead and do it synthetic substitution for me, my peeps. So you'd have 2, that'd be 1, negative 3, 0, 4, negative 10. So 1, that's 2, that's negative 1. That's negative 2, negative 2, that's negative 4, that's 0, that's 0, that's negative 10. Hey! So synthetic substitution, you just do synthetic division, but you don't change the value of the number. Now the next thing we're going to do is the highest power is the number of answers in the problem. Now, you might not be able to find them all. So if the problem is x to the 6th plus x to the 4th minus 7x cubed plus 4x squared plus 7 equals 0. And I said, how many answers are there? Now, again, you may not be able to find them all. We may not know enough rules and operations, but how many answers are there? 6. The highest power is always the number of answers. So if I have x to the 10th plus x to the 9th plus x to the 7th plus x to the 6th plus x to the 4th plus x plus 3 equals 0, and I said, how many answers are there, my peeps? It's 10. If I said, okay, x to the 20th plus x to the 12th plus x to the 11th minus x to the 10th plus x to the 5th plus x to the 4th minus x minus 1 equals 0. And I said, how many answers are there? This should be the easiest problem you've ever done. 20. Now, there's 2 more topics we're going to do this week. I'm going to stop it there, and then Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm going to make the videos. I guess probably Tuesday would be or Wednesday, one or the other. I'll make more videos to finish off the week. So this will get you started. Thank you very much.